everybody, it's Mrs. Warham, finishing up our story that we were reading called No Honking Allowed. The last time we left off, he wanted to honk the horn because he just felt happy. So I want you to stop and think about that for a moment. Is it okay for people to go around honking their horns just because they feel happy? Is that safe? Is that normal? What are your thoughts? If you say that, you know what, Mrs. Warham, it's not best to honk your horn just at any moment, you're absolutely right. They don't want you doing that because it could be a distraction to those around you. So today, we're going to now finish the story, No Honking Allowed. Will Stego allow Rex to honk? Let's read to find out. Rex, honking's for safety. That is the rule. For anything else, it just isn't cool. Don't worry, Stego. Take a good look. We're make-believe dinos in a book. Okay, you get one honk. Honk. Do you think it ends there? One more. No. Please, just one more. All right. One more. Honk, honk, honk. That was 3, Rex. You're losing control. Who, me? No way. Honk, 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 honkity honk, 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 honk. Rex, we had fun, Dino Buddy. You helped the fire truck go. Will you help me pay my ticket? Huh? Please. Okay. I'll honk to that. No honking allowed. This was a rhyming text with fun illustrations that take you on a ride for a fun, noisy book. So I hope you enjoyed the conclusion of our story, No Honking Allowed. All right, Hollywood stars, I'll see you for the next read aloud. Until then, bye-bye.